We know we have insurance. We go hospital. The insurance decided for you, oh, we're going to pay for this. No, you die. We're not going to pay for this. That's not right. This is not in America. Maybe somewhere else, maybe, I don't know. But not in America. That's wrong. That's wrong. I promised my daughter, she got the driver license before she went to hospital. We were so happy. I promised her when she come well enough after recovery, I was going to buy her a white car. A white car. You guys know what I bought for her after she passed away? I bought a coffin for her because Cigna, they killed my daughter. That's all I can say. That's sad. I don't have daughter anymore. All my life, I'm going, every day I pass her, when I go back past her front of her door, it says Nataline's Avenue on her door. I cannot sleep. I cannot sleep. I don't know how long it's going to take me to go back to sleep. I have a big hole in my heart right now. So I think Senator and you guys and the public, all America, I want to tell you guys, all America, you guys watching right now, live or later on the news, vote for this man. He's fighting for America. This is the change right now. Thank you very much. I'm sorry.
That was beautiful, John. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Talking to the Sarkisian family and heard this incredibly moving story earlier. One of the things that Grigot did not talk about, but he talked about it to me earlier, about his frustration, the fact that he had to spend his time he should have been spending at his daughter's bedside, he spent with a placard in front of the Cigna headquarters in her last day, her very last day of life. Obviously, this is something that needs to be fixed. And I need to tell you that this is not something that John adopted as part of this campaign. In the debate last night, you heard talk about the Patient's Bill of Rights. If this president had not, this is a bill that Senator McCain, Senator Kennedy, and John wrote. John was the floor manager, got it. He doesn't brag on himself that way last night, but he was the floor manager of that bill, got it through the United States Senate. This president blocked that bill. That bill would have prevented Cigna from making this decision. It's important that we get universal health care, and John will do it. Its partner has to be a Patient's Bill of Rights so that insurance companies are not empowered to take away the lives of our children.
I think we should have James or Sandy talk about it.
We just have got problems with the health care system and corporations generally and have them stand.
I just wanted to add on to, first of all, I think it's extraordinary that you came under these circumstances and were able to express yourself so beautifully. Thank you for doing that. And I do want to say, and on top of what Elizabeth said, and she said I didn't get to say anything about me last night, there is another thing that I just feel the need to say because it's personally important to me. Senator McCain and I worked very hard on the Patient's Bill of Rights. He's a good man, and we loved working together on that. Senator Kennedy had been championing this cause long before either one of us got involved in it, and he deserves enormous credit. But you see in real ways what sometimes feels abstract. You know, when I talk about what insurance companies and drug companies are doing to America, this is what I mean. This has real effect on real people's lives. Sometimes the consequences aren't this devastating. Sometimes they're in smaller doses, but the consequences are still real. and they're very real. When insurance companies decide who's going to get health care and who's not, when insurance companies decide what they're going to cover and what they're not, when drug companies decide how much they're going to charge for prescription drugs, and America has no control over it whatsoever, then that's when you lead to these kind of horrible stories, and you have seniors sitting at the table literally trying to decide whether to pay for their heating bill or pay for their medicine or pay for their food. In America, we're better than this. We're so much better than this. And we can do better than this.